Tinkercad has been making waves in the CAD software world, especially for beginners. But is it really the best choice for someone just diving into 3D design? Let's break down what this platform has to offer and if it lives up to the hype. Tinkercad is a free browser-based CAD tool that's designed for simplicity. Right off the bat, its clean interface is inviting, making it easy for newcomers to get started. The core functionality revolves around 3D modeling, electronics design, and even coding, which is a nice touch for those looking to dip their toes into multiple creative areas. You can create everything from simple shapes to more complex designs with relative ease. It's particularly popular among educators and students thanks to its user-friendly approach. However, while it provides a solid foundation for beginners, advanced users might find it lacking in more sophisticated features that professional CAD software offers. What stands out is the community aspect. You can share your projects and learn from others. But there are areas that feel a bit unclear, like the depth of some tutorials and the limitations on exporting designs to other formats, which could be frustrating for users looking to take their projects further. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, Tinkercad is completely free and incredibly easy to use, making it great for beginners. The integration of coding and electronics is a unique feature that sets it apart. However, on the downside, it lacks some advanced features that seasoned designers might expect, like complex modeling tools and robust rendering options. Another frustration is the limited export capabilities. You might find yourself constrained if you want to use your designs in other software. Plus, while the community is active, the quality of shared projects can vary significantly. This might leave some beginners feeling overwhelmed or unsure about where to start. Overall, it's a fantastic tool for those just getting into CAD, but it may not satisfy those looking for depth and versatility. In conclusion, Tinkercad is an excellent starting point for beginners in CAD, offering a straightforward interface and unique features like coding and electronics. If you're just starting out, it's definitely worth a try. However, if you're looking for a more professional tool with advanced capabilities, you might want to explore other options.